Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you the easiest way by which you can backup your computer or PC data in any of your external storage device like USB pen drive, hard disk or SSD. For doing this you have to first of all go to your this PC application, double click on it. Then you have to go to the particular drive in which you have installed your Windows. So I have installed my Windows in C drive, so I will right click, I will open it. After I open it, then you have to go to the users option here. After going to users, you have to open any of the particular profile that you use. Like you are able to see here different type of folders like downloads, videos, documents, pictures and different. Like you want to copy and paste the downloads folder in your external device, you will copy the downloads folder from here. After you copy the downloads data from here, you will have to go to your drive section in your this PC again. Then you will be able to see here the external storage device that you have installed. I have not installed any of the storage device right now. Then you can paste there. Thanks for watching this video.